Hi, welcome to my first screencast of Visual Learning Assistant, also known as VLA. Basically, VLA is an application to aid learning using images and animation. It's an open source application. So, today I'm going to be giving you a quick rundown of VLA. So, first of all, we download it. I'll put a link below the YouTube link so you can download it. Right now, it's currently on beta. So let's just download this, and what you want to do is save it. Once it's saved, you extract. It's a zip file, so if you just extract it right here, extract. So when you finish extracting the zip file, when you open the folder, we have an API documentation and a user manual, which we talk about later on. We also have the data folder, which contains libraries, and a plugin folder, which contains, plugins for VLA. Also, language packs, which contains languages supported by Visual Learning Assistant. So let's load it up so we can take a look at the application itself. So as you can see, it has a simple UI, and let's take a look at the options we have. At the moment, because it's still in beta, we have theme selection, so we can change the theme of the application. So for example, light theme, as you can see, is changing dynamically. Apply, but I prefer the light, so let's apply and save it. And as you can see, everything changes, and it has a transparent background. The application is developed using WPF and XAML in C#. Windows Presentation Foundation. And let's take a look at the languages. So we have Spanish, English, German, and Chinese. So let's try the Chinese. As you can see, everything changes. So this is the information log box. Just records everything that the application goes through internally for debugging or any error catching. Let's go back to English. This is for updates, to check if there's any updates. So nothing at the moment. And add-ons, which we'll talk about later on, and the app file, which just talks about the application itself. Let's take a look at the plugin options. So for the purpose of this screencast, let's pick one, shortest path algorithm. And you can also filter through the list, so you can shorten it. Data structure, compression, and everything. So let's go back to the shortest path. And if we click on the plugin information, we have the name of the plugin, the author, the version, the module names, which we can also filter through, the supported languages, and the description of the plugin. So let's load the shortest path illustration. In the display box, we have Dicegraph's algorithm, we have a game, and we have the about the application. For the sake of this screencast, we select the Dicegraph's algorithm. So let's just play around with this, see how it works. So we click on new algorithm. We want 4 vertex. Basically, Dicegraph's algorithm is a shortest path algorithm. We want to find shortest path from one vertex to the next. So we select 4 vertices. Now we can just click anywhere in this dark orange palette, canvas, should I say, A. Let's click in 2A, click anywhere here, 3A, and anywhere here, 4A. And we want to connect each vertices to each other. So A to 2A, it's 10, A to 3A. So when you finish setting up all the connections, we want to know the shortest path, let's say from A to 4A. So we just select A to 4A. The shortest path is through A, 3A, and 4A. So you can see how you can use Visual Learning Assistant to just learn, to aid learning using the animations, just visually illustration of what each algorithm or, and even if it's a mathematical calculation, things like that, the the possibilities are endless. So anyone can create a plugin. There's going to be extensive tutorials on it. That is just a short, quick look at Visual Learning Assistant. Future screencast will actually focus on each plugin and how to make a plugin. So, hope you enjoy that. See you next time.